Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Isang malakas sa palakpakan ang ikasamang iyawan para sa ating birthday celebrant na si Tita Chris Valher.
And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat of the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can jump. Even kaya niya i-balance yung pagiging socialized na yung commitment niya sa family niya sa business namin. So, ayun yung, kaya sobrang proud ako kay Mami. I love you, Mami. So,
Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Hannah sa kanyang pure and wholeheartedly message para sa kanyang mother. Grabe, pinalaki ka naman talaga ni Tita ng...
Hindi literal, pero pinalaki ako.
Pinalaki, yes. Tama lang. Tama lang.
Okay, so yung next, ito talaga ang literal na pinalaki. Literal, physical, and even, kahit 11 years old pa lang siya. 11? 11 years old. So,
9 ka.
10.
Okay.
So, to give us a wonderful message to our mother as well, please welcome Marian Hanbel here, my youngest sister.
Please give her a round of applause.
Ano po, thankful po ako sa mother ko kasi yung 50 years niya, hindi siya sumuko sa kahit ano, lahat nilabanan niya, tas pinalaki niya din ako. Palagi siyang proud sa akin na na tangkad-tangkad ko. Tinangkadan ko daw si ate. Mas malaki daw ako kay ate. Tas never ako na left out sa family namin pagkasama namin siya. Tas thankful ako kasi halos lahat ng gusto ko, binibigay niya. Lahat ng gusto ko, binibigay niya. Tas never niya ako sinabihan ng wag o bawal. Parang na-experience ko yung freedom kay Mami. Tas thankful din ako kasi inalagaan niya ako ng maayos. Si ate kasi parang
Ate, oh?
Mamaya ka sa akin sa bahay. So, next. So, syempre makakalimutan ba natin ang very handsome hubby of our celebrant, Raul Valier. Hubby.
Sabi ko lang sa'yo, huwag ka add to cart ng add to cart. Shopee ka ng Shopee. Papasalamat ako sa kabila ng matibay na sama natin na hindi tayo na ng problema, magkasama tayo. Maski dumating sa atin, pinag-uusapan natin. Maski yung sobrang hirap natin, halos doble ko yung katawan ko para may taguhin ko lang itong pamilyang ka. Papasalamat ako sa iyo na lagi ka nakagapay sa akin dyan. Pag may mapigat ako pagsubok, sasabihin sa akin, kaya mo yan. Hindi malalampasan din natin to. Lagi natin sinasabi to, iikot din ng mundo at makukuha rin natin ang pangarap natin. Salamat sa iyo. Ha? Huwag ka Shopee ng Shopee, ha?
Nagkakabilib! Okay, thank you so much. Yan, palakpakan naman po natin ang Family Baler. And thank you so much for that wonderful and lovely, pure, wholeheartedly message na pamilya para sa ating birthday celebrant, which is you, Miss Griselda Baler. So, kidding aside, yan. Partner, these flowers, ayan, continue the lovely messages. So these flowers often symbolize degrees of love and affection, but they can also send a variety of messages. So these messages of forgiveness, purity, modesty, hope, beauty, and love. The roses or the golden roses signify very special men in the life of the celebrant, like her friends, relatives, brothers, and of course, the most important man in her life. So her husband,
Okay, so to call on yung mga roses natin na idadaan si Mami. So first, her husband again.
Let's have a dance. Okay lang. Okay, so let's have a picture. Take picture. Picture taking po, please.
Okay, so next to dance our celebrant would be Steve Mostar.
Thanks so much. Let's take a picture with our birthday program.
So next from Steve would be Sean Ryan Bunny.
So before we proceed to the next dance, please let's take a picture with our celebrant. Okay, so for the next.
Okay, so let's call on Sean Paulo Bunti.
Bag mo, be, bag mo. Guwapo ba?
Posture. Paano yung fox?
Guwapo! Paano tumitin sa picture?
Alright.
Okay, so for the next man to dance our celebrant, Sean Marky Bunyi.
Guwapo ba?
So si Marky po, he is one of the nephew of our birthday celebrant. Let's take a picture. Thank you so much. And alright, for the next dance.
So isa sa mga pamangkin rin ni Mami, JC or Giancarlo Silva.
Opo ka dito. Bakit ba yan? Parang ka lang ang alay. Ang alay pala mo po ng gano'n. Dito ka. Tayo lang ma.
Naman, isayaw mo ko. My co-host, Gio Malimuti.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be
and love.
Before we proceed, actually, part of Griselda's 50th birthday celebration is that she's been through a lot this year, and part of that, or one of that, is losing his eldest brother, which is Tito Manil. And so, in any even though na wala na dito si Tito, gusto namin ma-feel pa rin yung presence niya kasi hindi pa kami sanay. So let's just let Mommy have a moment that she feel na nasasayaw niya pa si Tito, na hit niya pa si Tito. So, for the next part, Leo?
Well, before we continue the next part of the program, ang mga mag-observe syempre hindi talaga natin kasi mas maganda lalo na kapag so, well, to cut the sadness, yes, and continue the enthusiasm of this program, so let us now proceed to the 5 treasures. It doesn't matter how expensive